Hi, it's Dean for MOTOROLA Moto G73 and I will show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So let's first just select the screen where we want to add the widget, and after that we should hold for a while the empty space on our home screen. After that we'll see here the widgets icon, just tap on it, and after that we'll see here all of the available applications which widgets we can add. For example, let's use the calendar widget. If you want to add it to your home screen, you should just hold it and just to move it to your home screen. If you want to move the widget on the screen or between the screens, or just to create new screens for the widget, you should just hold it and drag it. Also, if you want to just change the size of the widget to resize it, you should just hold it for a while, and after that we can make it bigger or smaller. And just to remove it from our home screen, we should hold it and drag it to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.